Ayan guys, maldita ka na siya guys. Good morning guys. Say good morning Baby Jane. Good morning dayon. Ang maldita. Inaanak ang maldita kong anak. Nag-iisang babae pero maldita.
Shut up. Shut up.
Ganyan. Ayan guys, umaga pa lang. Maldita. Ayan, ganyan ang buhay niya. Sarap buhay. Pa-cellphone lang. Sarap buhay.
HD to.
Baby Jane.
Sa good. 678.
Baby Jane.
Sa good. 678.
Bigyan mo sila ng mga katagang.
Sa katagang mo ako.
Yung gaya mo sa kasabihan ay adali.
If you love someone, trust them.
Oh, di ba guys? English yun. Dugo ako ilong guys. Suksok na siya sa kong likod. Wala na. Balik na sa kong tiyan.
Every mistake can be a lesson, and every lesson change a person.
Ay, sana all. So, ganyan kagaling siya, oh. What else? What else? Add more. More.
Nagyanto pa ka nga. Mag-search ko.
Ito siya second year high school na to siya, guys. Yung bunso ko yung tulog pa. Tapos yung dalawa kong anak nandun sa kabilang kwarto. So, pasensya niya na yung kwarto namin is nasira na to.
Every makes mistake. It's a part of the process, learning and growing. Don't beat yourself up to how much making mistake. Instead, see them as opportunities for growth and learning. You can't be perfect all the time, so don't expect yourself to be. Everyone has something they can work on and improve. So treat each mistake as a lesson instead of something to be ashamed of. Use them as learning experience, and you become even strong from them.
And
Thank you.
Ang bunso ko guys, tulog. Ay, kagigising lang, cellphone agad. O, ganyan. Ayan ang buhay nila guys. I love you.
Minding your own business.
You love me. I will make a fantasy.
Pangit mo.
Send to you.
Nagpata ba ako sa iyo? Kaya, iyak. Clyde G. Buwa.
Iyak daw ako niya.
Clyde G.
Baling, tana. Seksik na kung saan ka mga bunso ko.
Less noise. More inner pitch. Choosing pitch. Follower.
Yan lang guys. Ito lang may share ko sa inyo for today's video because I'm going to sleep again. Ay, sana all English yarn.
English yarn.
Oh, yan. English yarn. Nag-iiwan ng katagang. Kung may saging kami.
Beauty is kindness.
Sige. Beauty is kindness. Ugly is No. Ugly is a witch. Let's joke. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye muna, Baby Jane. Bye-bye muna. Bye. Please
follow, subscribe, and click the notification para updated kayo sa bagong upload namin.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you all for watching this here video.